In this video, you'll learn how to add a favicon in Webflow. A favicon is a small icon that represents your website, appearing in browser tabs and bookmarks. By following the steps outlined, you will successfully upload and set a favicon for your site. Begin by navigating to the Webflow dashboard. Open your web browser and enter the Webflow URL. Once the page loads, you should see the dashboard interface where your projects are listed. This is the main hub for managing your sites. Next, locate the site you wish to modify. Scroll through your list of projects until you find the desired site. Click on the name of the site to open it. This action will direct you to the site's specific settings and configurations. After that, look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the options menu. This icon is typically situated next to your site's name or in the upper right corner of the project interface. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. Once the drop-down menu appears, select the settings option. This will take you to the settings page for your site where you can adjust various configurations. Take a moment to ensure you are on the correct settings page before proceeding. Next, find and click on the Icons tab within the Settings menu. This section is specifically designated for managing your site icons, including the favicon. Ensure that you are in the correct area to avoid confusion. Now, look for the favicon Like Theme option within the Icons tab. This is where you will upload your favicon. Clicking on this option will open a new section dedicated to favicon settings. Afterward, click on the Upload button. This action will prompt a file selection dialog to appear on your screen. You will need to choose the image file you wish to use as your favicon. It's important to select an image that meets the recommended dimensions and file size for optimal display. Then navigate through your file explorer to find the icon you want to use. Select the appropriate file and click on the Open button. This will initiate the upload process, and you should see a confirmation or preview of the icon once it successfully uploads. Finally, ensure that the favicon is properly displayed in the preview section. If everything appears correct, you can proceed to save your changes. Look for a Save or Publish button to apply the new favicon to your site. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.